పంపిన కారణ జన్ములే మీరు. మీ గాత్రం సలలిత రాగ సుధారస సారం, మీ సాహిత్యం సర్వజన మనోభిరామం, మీ సాన్నిహిత్యం సర్వభక్తజన ఆమోదకరం, మీ మూర్తిత్వం సర్వలోకానికి ఆదర్శప్రాయం, మీ గురుత్వం సర్వజన సమ్మోహనాకారం. మేము పొగడడానికి సాహిత్యంలో మాటలు లేవు, మీరు పాడడానికి మిగిలిన కృతులు లేవు, మేము గౌరవించడానికి సరిపడు బిరుదములు మా దగ్గర లేవు. మేము కన్న తెలుగు తల్లి పులకించిపోయింది, మేము విన్న సమస్త ప్రజ పరవశించి ఊగింది. కళలకు హద్దులు లేవు, కళాకారులకు రద్దులు రావు. మీ గానామృతంతో దేశాలు జయించారు, అంతర్జాతీయ ఖ్యాతిని ఆర్జించి పెట్టారు, మా తెలుగునాడు పేరు నిలబెట్టారు. అట్టి మీకు మేం ఏమివ్వగలం? స్పందించిన అనురాగం తప్ప, పెళ్ళుబిగిన ఆనందం తప్ప. అయినా చంద్రుడికో నూలుపోగులా, కృష్ణుడికో కుచేలునిలా అందిస్తున్నాం మీకు ఈ బిరుదు. సంగీత సర్వకళా నిధి, మీరు సర్వకళలకు పెన్నిధి. సంగీత సాహిత్య సర్వకళా నిధి.
By the Radhakrishna Sakuntalamma Foundation. I request say I.V. Subragaru to unveil the brochure. Brought out by the Radhakrishna Sakuntalamma Church. There is another felicitation by Palm Day Lions Club President to Dr. Balamudi.
No, come that side.
పెద్దలు పూజ్యులు పద్మశ్రీ కళాప్రపూర్ణ మంగళంపల్లి వాళ్ళ మురళీకృష్ణ గారు, జిల్లా కలెక్టర్ అయిన మాన్యులు శ్రీ సుబ్బారావు గారు, అధ్యక్షత వహించిన రాజగోపాల్ గారు, త్యాగరాజ సభకు కార్యదర్శిగా ఉన్నటువంటి జ్ఞానేశ్వరరావు గారు, సభను అలంకరించిన కళాప్రియ సోదర సోదరీమణులకు నమస్కారం. ఈరోజు అనేకమైన కార్యక్రమాల్లో మనం దాన ధర్మాలు చేయొచ్చు, కానీ ఒక నూతనంగా రాధాకృష్ణయ్య శకుంతలమ్మ ఫౌండేషన్ అని ఒక ట్రస్ట్ ఓపెన్ చేసి కేవలం ఈ ట్రస్ట్ నుంచి వచ్చే డబ్బులు కళాకారులకే ఉపయోగించాలని అనుకున్నాం. అదృష్టవశాత్తుగా ఈ కార్యక్రమం ఈరోజు జరగడం, ఈ ఫౌండేషన్కు నూతనంగా ప్రప్రథంగా మహానుభావులు పర్నాడు శ్రీరాములు భగవద్ అంశం అన్నారు. నేను వారితో అదివరకు చెప్పాను. భగవంతుడు అన్నాడు గీతలో, ఎవరి దగ్గర అయితే మా సాధారణంగా ఉన్న శక్తి కంటే గొప్పగా ఉంటుంది అది నా విభూతి అన్నారు. వీరి విషయము, వీరి చరిత్ర, వీరి యొక్క గాన ప్రతిష్ట విశిష్టంగా ఉండడం ఇదంతా కూడా భగవంతుడి విభూతి. అందుకే భగవద్ అంశం అన్నారు. ఇటువంటి మహానుభావులకు మా ఫౌండేషన్ ద్వారా ప్రభుత్వంగా వారిని గౌరవించడం వాస్తవంగా మా అదృష్టమని భావిస్తున్నాం. ఈ కార్యం కూడా మంచి చక్కని సమయంలో జరగడం, ఇటువంటి దానికి మాకు ఈ అవకాశం కలిగించి ఈ కార్యం ఇప్పుడే జరగడం, ఈ విధంగా చేసిన కలెక్టర్ గారికి తదితర పెద్దలందరికీ కూడా నా అభినందనలు అర్పిస్తూ ఈ శుభకార్యాన్ని మీ అందరి యొక్క సమక్షంగా వారికి ఆ గౌరవం మేము అర్పించినందుకు నేను చాలా సంతోషిస్తూ వినిపించుకుంటున్నాను.
Dr. Balamurali Krishna Garu wants to address. You will address now.
Revered and dear District Collector Sri Subbarao Garu, respected and dear Sri Radhakrishna Garu, President and Vice President and Office Bearers of Sangeet Tyagaraja Sangeet Sabha, and distinguished friends. I deem it a privilege to receive this honor for the reason more than one. This honor is coupled with love and devotion towards the art and towards me. Secondly, there is nothing like official or political. And I feel proud to receive this honor as a first recipient of this honor by the foundation. The gold is given to me not because I am old and not because old is gold. This is a recognition to my services and to remind me what I should do in future. Much is said about me and my about past life. I consider myself as one of the senior most students of music. Now I know, after being involved in profession and in musical career, I very well know how much more I have to learn. That is the main reason why I have retired from professional singing. I could not find time during my professional career to do research or to concentrate to acquire more knowledge and to understand the depths of music. I was hitherto only have been giving concerts for the pleasure and for the sake of popularizing the classical music to the public. And at the same time, I've been selfish in earning money through this art. Somehow, since my childhood, I have an aversion towards earning money through music. But I could not help because I don't know anything else except music. I don't possess any qualifications to acquire any government job. My parents tried their best to give me education or educational qualification. With the result, I was forced to go to school for about 6 months in my life. Since my childhood, I have been enjoying privileges. When my father wanted to join me in a school in 3rd or 5th standard, the headmaster pleased after hearing my music, and he gave me admission in first form. So within 6 months he found that the half-yearly examinations went on. The first time I wrote an examination, and after a week, the headmaster gave the answer papers to my father, in which there is a very good round 0. And I never felt unhappy about it. The headmaster and my father looked at me surprisingly and said, I didn't have any feeling about it. What do you think of this? Then I said, I've been trying my best to round like this correctly. I couldn't do. The headmaster did it. It's very nice to see, just like full moon. So that is my educational career. When Government of India wanted to give me a job, they had to relax the fundamental rules to appoint me in the gazetted rank a person without any qualification. Therefore, and I have been having a temptation, an attraction for some degree, Balamurali Krishna, BA, MA, something like that. But I had no opportunity. That was the reason why I was so happy when I got the honorary doctorate. Now I can have a PhD or DSc. Now there are so many. I am not able to put it. Why I am telling all this? Except music, I know nothing. So, my concentration and life's ambition and day-to-day routine is nothing but music. Therefore, I know probably much more than the others as to how much more there is to learn. I have been always attracted to create something and do something new instead of copying or just a playback like a gramophone record. Therefore, I had to face so many criticisms. There will be criticism in the beginning for any new venture. Still, I want to do something new about which I have confidence and I know the ways and means how to do. And I have my own basis, not based on any available literature, that is music therapy. I want to try on mankind whether music would cure the diseases. And I am confident more than that in using music as a preventive matter. If a particular music is listened by a particular man or woman, I am sure that they will never get any diseases. This, how I am able to say, is because, and on the basis that we can easily create disease through music. We can easily create headache. We can easily create a disturbed mindness. We can easily create aversion towards life or even towards wife. So why not we can do good thing through music? In my own limits, I have tried little bit about on this subject, and I was happy. To some extent, 50% I was able to cure some diseases. But I am not 100% sure because the non-cooperation of the patient and non-availability of the equipments I want. In India, musicians are poor. That too in South India, poorer. That too classical musician is poorest. I have been able to maintain somehow a little higher than a South Indian classical musician because I know something else that if I want money, I sing a song in a film, or I direct music, or I act, or compose a tune, I give an orchestral piece. And Tyagaraja said in one of his compositions, Palukubotini Sabhalona Patitamanavula Kosage Kalulu. He who sells the goddess Saraswati to the public, he is the sinner, unpardonable sinner. So I don't want to sell any more my music. But if I sing free, I become, not only myself but my music become cheap. Nobody realizes that I am doing good service. And other musicians will get angry with me. So he is getting more chances because he is singing free. What about us? Therefore I have decided to retire from profession, and I do sing for charitable purposes. And at the same time, I am not away from the public because my voice is available through radio, TV and cassettes and so on. And I give my appreciation and my respect to Sri Radhakrishna Garu, who has been doing good service. There are many people, multimillionaires are there, but a very few think of doing good to others and to help others. Not only to be a musician, but a poet, a dancer, a dramatist, or various walks of life. The personalities will be honored like this. And I am proud, as I said already, to receive this honor as the first recipient. I am grateful to you for having thought of me for this award. And as a student, I deserve it, which will be a source of inspiration for me to proceed further with my research work. That too on an auspicious day like this, when some constructive work is going on for the building up of this organization. And I had the double opportunity of participating in this morning's function and the evening's function. I have no words to express my thanks to all of you and all those who are responsible for giving me this opportunity. Sometime or other, I will repay by giving thanks through music. Thank you.
And the district collector, Sri I.V. Subbarao Garu, will now address.
The Vice President of the Sabha, Mr. Rajgopal, the Chief Guest of the evening's function, Dr. Balamurali Krishna Garu, Radha Krishna Garu, Jnaneshwara Garu, distinguished audience, I do not think there is anything left for me to speak. It would be mere words after music. Music which you have not heard, but you have imagined. Because whatever comes from a person who knows nothing but music would be only music to our ears. And that would be melodious. After the melody, anything else would look very pedantic, very verbose, very pedestrian. So I won't venture into any long speech on this occasion, except to say how grateful we are and how happy we are on this occasion to have the honor to honor one of the greatest musicians of our times, Sri Mangalamapalli Balamurali Krishna Garu. The title which we have conferred is one of the titles, one of the many titles which he has got. In fact, in the morning session, somebody said searching for a title was a big problem because it was a process of elimination. What is a title which he doesn't have? So, in the process of elimination, probably they could surprisingly find something, and we have been very grateful. We are very grateful that Sri Balamurali Krishna has agreed to receive this award, coming all the way to Anantapur. The research work which he hinted would justify the numerous research degrees which he has got honoris causa, and the excellent work which he is now doing in the field of research, especially musical therapy. To my mind, it seems a replication of what the great creator is doing in the cosmos, because there is some universal music which governs the entire cosmos and the universe. The rhythm and the music which is there in the heavens, if one can really internalize, capture it and replicate it at a micro level, at a smaller level, at an individual, social, societal level,